This is my fourth day in Amravati, and if you've seen the previous vlogs, you know that I'm stuck here, kind of stuck here because I'm not able to get Tatkal tickets. And today is day 4 of trying for Tatkal. This is where I'm staying in Amravati. My friends have rented the place. The bottom area belongs to the family who owns this place, and above they have rented a room. You have a nice, beautiful swinging bench, greenery, mango tree, some other tea. I don't know what it is. So this is where they stay, the owners, and then we have to go up. It's a nice villa. Amravati is mostly, this has this bungalow, row houses, villa sort of culture. Building culture is in a very nascent stage. This is the room where they stay, and that also is their room cum studio, which is yet to be set up. So you have a kind of veranda here, and then you have a balcony, and then you have stairs to go up, where slightly difficult to get up. So this is technically the terrace, and this is where I vlogged from for the past few days. It's very, very hot here. I woke up by 7:30, and the sun was so strong that it didn't feel like 7:30. It felt like 12 or 1 o'clock in Bombay. Waiting for 11 o'clock to book the ticket. And that's 11. Go, 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 go. लोडिंग जल्दी जल्दी डाल एकदम फटाफट.
तेरा जीपे किधर है? मैं ओपन करके रखता हूँ.
कल्याण सिटी
उंगली जला.
यूपीआई नो जर्नी डिटेल्स.
इधर उंगली लगा तब तक.
ये कैप्चर डालना पड़ेगा. क्या ये इक्वल्स टू कैपिटल वी जी 9 है वी कैपिटल वी. यस यस यस. पे सर्वर एरर. मैं पैसे तो गए मेरे. Today also we successfully failed to get my Tatkal ticket, but we didn't leave it. After 1.5 hours of research, wherein we kind of found out that if a train goes from point A to B or A to D and has stop B and C, so it's not necessary that if it's showing full from A to D, probably it can be empty till A to B, and then from B to D it's full. So if you search from A to D, it will show you it as it is full, but it's not full. So that way you can break the journey, select different trains and reach. So this is how it goes. So this is Amravati. So from Amravati I'm getting train till Bhusawal. So it's Amravati Surat train, which is 9 in the morning, reaches by 1. And then from 2 o'clock from Bhusawal there's a train at 2 which reaches Manmad by 4:30. And from Manmad there's another train, the Tapovan Express, which drops you at Nasik at I think 6 o'clock basically. And then my plan is to take a taxi till Kasara and then a local train to Kalyan. So we leave at 9 in the morning, reach by 1:15, and then from 2:15 another train to Manmad and reach Manmad by 4:20, come to Nasik around by 6. By 1.5 hours you should be able to reach Kasara in a taxi, and then from there another 1 hour 15 minutes to Kalyan. So that's the plan. Time for the shoot for one day in Amravati. Today we have 2 places in mind. Oops. One is Bamboo Park and the other one is a lake nearby. That was a small lake which is inside the bamboo park, and this closes by 5 because it said that leopards come out to drink water or to hunt peacocks in this garden, so that's why we're not allowed over there after 5 p.m. Sun. Look at it closely and you'll find out that it's made of tires. There's more. There's one over there as well. Looks like a swan to me. Deer. We're back from Raghuveer Sweets, and now we are trying to remake a scene from Bhishma Parvam, which is the teaser, the teaser of the film. And this is my friend Prashant, who's the cameraman, and this is the camera. We're shooting it. Fun fact: this camera costs 2,15,000 rupees. हाँ ठीक है चलेगा. तो सिगरेट जलाएगा, मतलब माचिस जलाएगा, तो उसका जो कलर है, सी वो एंड में वो सीन है ना, वो जाओ वाला. And that's the wrap of our shoot. We're all done, and now we'll edit, and then we'll see how it looks. Jao. Dubbing.
एकदम इसके पास है, एकदम तू जो बोलेगा वो तेरे को सुनाई देगा. देख बराबर.
हाँ, perfect.